Hey there, I'm Todd Whatley, certified law attorney with Generations Legal Group. Okay, we're up to question number 11, and so we're going to get a little more detailed into the weeds, as we call it, a little bit. So these videos are going to be a tad bit longer, but I'm still going to try to make them as short as possible. So question number 11 is, what is an irrevocable trust, right? So when you hear most people talk about, oh, I did a trust, or we're creating a trust, it's almost always a revocable living trust. That's where you create a trust, and the pure purpose of a revocable living trust is to avoid probate. And you do that by creating the trust, putting your assets into the trust so that it's owned by the trust and therefore doesn't have to go through probate. Typically in those trusts, a revocable trust, you're in control and you benefit from it. It's purely a probate avoidance tool. When we start delving into irrevocable trusts, we're looking more into other purposes of the trust to do some more fancy things, okay? And there's a lot of different types of irrevocable trusts, and I'll go through those in these 100 questions. But for today, simply the word irrevocable means it can't be changed or it can't be revoked, okay? With a revocable trust, you create it, you can kill it, you can change it, you can do what you want to with it. But with an irrevocable trust, for it to carry out some of those more fancy things we want it to do, it can't be changed easily, okay? We as attorneys always make it so it can be changed, but it's difficult, okay? You sometimes have to go to court. You have to meet very stringent guidelines. And sometimes it just simply cannot be revoked by the person who created it. And so an irrevocable trust is simply a trust that is more complicated. It can't be revoked easily. And it's for the purpose of carrying out fancy things like asset protection. We do one to protect from Medicaid. You can do one to get something out of your estate so that it's not taxed. And there's a lot of things, and we will go into all of those over the next 100 questions. Okay. So very quick answer. Our question is, what is an irrevocable trust? It's a trust that can't be revoked, and it's more complicated and for other purposes than just avoiding probate. Okay. If you have further questions, please call the office 479-601-4119 or go to our website, generationslegalgroup.com. There's a lot of information there, and you can also schedule an appointment. Okay. We'll see you next time.